Common server issues in DBD. 1. Cannot connect to server. 2. Matchmaking failed or disconnected from host. 3. Authentication failed. 4. Lag, rubber banding, or high ping. 5. Friends list not loading, / invite not working. Daylights. 1. Check DBD server status. Use these sites: slidedowndetector.com/status dead by daylight / status dead by daylight / dbdstatus.com/dbd. Check official Twitter X, twitter.com/deadflash. If servers are down, wait. It's on their end. 2. Change your DNS, improves matchmaking, fixes server issues. Use Google DNS, primary 8.8.8.8, secondary 8.8.4, or Cloudflare DNS, primary 1.11.1, secondary 1.0.1. Set this in your network adapter or router. 3. Use a VPN, region-specific server bugs. Sometimes DBD servers are unstable in certain regions like Asia or Middle East. Use a VPN, e.g. Proton VPN, Cloudflare WarPro, or NordVPN trial. Switch to EU or NA region for testing. 4. Flush DNS plus reset WinSock, Windows PC. Open command as admin and run bash ipconfig /flush DNS netch winsock reset netch int IP reset. Reboot PC and launch game again. 5. Disable IPv6. Sometimes IPv6 causes matchmaking or connection issues. Go to Control Panel Network, Adapter Settings, right-click your connection, Properties, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, 6. Use wired connection or switch network, switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. Try a mobile hotspot to test if your ISP is blocking ports. 7. Relog into BHVR account. If your account isn't authenticating, 1. Exit game. 2. Go to see users your users that appdacl dead by daylight saved. 3. Delete save games folder. 4. Relog into DBD. 8. Port forwarding for DBD. Ensure the following ports are open. For Steam, UDP T2701-527-34380, TTCP 2701-4-27050. For PS Xbox, enable a upnp in router or manually forward platform-specific ports. Now. 9. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Corrupted EAC can prevent server communication. Go to Dead by Daylight Easy Anti-Cheat. Run Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe. Choose DBD and click Repair Service. 10. Clear game cache. 1. Go to see users, your user, app data, local, Dead by Daylight, save config, Windows, no editor. 2. Delete everything inside. 3. Restart the game. 11. Reinstall or verify game files. Steam, right-click DBD, Properties, Installed Files, Verify. Epic, Library, 3 dots on DBD, Manage, Verify Files. Extra tip, crossplay issues. If you're on console and playing with PC friends, crossplay bugs may occur. Try disabling and re-enabling crossplay under Settings online. Still not working? Let me know. Your platform, PC, Xbox, PS, Switch, region, exact error message, or issue behavior. I'll guide you with more specific fixes.